And I'm Billy.
Together with the Fuji guys. Hey, we're going to unbox, Billy, our latest new family member to our EXR line of digital cameras, our award-winning EXR digital line of cameras, and it's the Z700 EXR. And just before you get to unbox that for a second, I'll explain that this is our first touchscreen camera that we're bringing into Canada here, and it's unlike a lot of the other touchscreen models out there. We'll get into that in future videos, but I just wanted to kind of set the pace. I also want to mention another thing is that we're going to be showing you a white box sample, and these white boxes come to us straight from the factory as kind of pre-production models. So in order to get this video up to you live on YouTube as soon as we announce these cameras, we're using a box, but of course if you go to buy this camera, your box will look a lot prettier than that one. So Billy, let's unbox this baby. Let's go.
Great. Once you buy the camera, first thing you see is the warranty, the software CD, as well as the owner's manual, which is great to have. You have the USB cables included to help you download images. You have the video cables so that you can play it back on your television set. Because it uses rechargeable batteries, it comes with the lithium-ion batteries and also the dual voltage charger, which plugs to the wall to charge. And of course, we have the camera strap so that you don't drop it.
Camera strap.
Good luck putting that in. And let's get to the main thing, which is our brand new Z700 EXR camera. Look at that. That's stylish right there.
That is a very beautiful camera.
If you didn't know how to open that, you just slide it down.
Nice.
And it's working and great. Look at that color right there. Ain't that cool?
Yeah, nice. Hey, can I see that? Sorry. What a cool camera.
So that's sort of a quick unboxing of the F700. You know, it's in our Z series lineup of digital cameras, which means it's very stylish. It's one of those slim style cameras with the internal folding optics. So even though it's very compact, you know, you have I think a 5 times optical zoom lens on it.
Yeah,
but
there's a 5
again, I don't want to give too much away with this unboxing.
Wow, there's just a couple cool things here. I'm just playing around a little bit with this touchscreen. And man, this is amazing. We will get into the features of this amazing camera and moreover this amazing 3.5-inch widescreen LCD, but safe to say the first look video where Billy will go through all the controls as well as the top features video are probably going to be pretty popular videos once people see this type of technology and this camera. And so we look forward to showing those videos to you in the near future. Until then, my name is Greg.
And I'm Billy.
And we are the Fuji guys.
Fuji guys.